Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Holy SHIB once more set records. Absolute peak. Army of SHIB. Huge news indeed. Our greatest movies have all had a common theme of rogue robots bent on world dominion, a classic sci-fi motif. While they make for exciting movie plots, reality differs greatly from the screen. Sensationalism. Finding a unicorn flying a flying saucer as the possibility of robots taking control of humans. Let's look at how AI supports human inventions instead, specifically how it helps the nascent altcoins SignUpToken.com and well-established memicons like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. We will discuss how Holy SHIB once again set records in this video. Absolute peak. Army of SHIB. Huge news indeed. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent articles on Shiba Inu price forecasts and professional analysis, please share and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. Through 6 different transactions over the course of the last 24 hours, the Shiba Inu community has collectively been able to permanently remove 27.57 million SHIBs from circulation. The mysterious wallet containing 2.26 billion Shiba Inu is revealed to be the day's top SHIB burner. 15.57 million SHIB have been destroyed by the unidentified wallet in 2 distinct transactions. About 2 hours earlier, the unknown wallet carried out the first burn transaction, sending a pitiful 133 million SHIB to the dead wallet. The identical wallet burned a total of 14.23 million SHIB in a different transaction that was carried out about 30 minutes ago. In contrast to the previous day, when only 8 million SHIBs were permanently removed from circulation in a single transaction, these large burns led the overall burn rate to increase by 244.69%. The notable burns follow the top ETH whale, known as Blue Whale 73. She made 2 different purchases to add a monstrous 311.99 billion SHIB worth $3.32 million to her portfolio. In addition to the burns, the Shiba Inu ecosystem continues to grab attention as it introduces a number of fascinating innovations. Shiba Swap 20's impending release was alluded to by Satoshi Kazama, the company's principal developer, in a recent Telegram conversation. The Shiba Inu team is reportedly working incredibly hard to realize this fascinating new invention, according to Kazama. He wouldn't say when it would be officially released, but he did say that it would happen shortly. Another exciting development is that Shiba Inu's actual potential has been acknowledged by Binance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world by daily trade volume. SHIB is no longer merely a memicoin and should be treated seriously, according to the exchange, which conducted a thorough analysis of the tokenomics and behavior of the asset. Following this assessment, Binance made the audacious decision to kick Shiba Inu out of its innovation zone, which is set aside for cutting-edge cryptocurrencies with unproven promise. This action demonstrates Binance's faith in SHIB's potential as a long-term cryptocurrency memicoin that can compete with other top memicoins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and even newly developing altcoin SignUpToken.com leverage. Users can get personalized financial advice and insights through ChatGPT and other AI-powered technologies. ChatGPT is a helpful tool for investors of all levels of experience because it offers detailed, albeit occasionally wrong, responses. The solutions provided by ChatGPT can reduce the amount of time and effort needed to look for and analyze data, making it a useful tool for learning more. Users are better able to stay informed, make educated decisions, and engage in the memicoin market with greater assurance because to this accessibility. Similar to the depictions in sci-fi films, there has been growing worry about the possible risks and perils connected with AI platforms. However, it is crucial to realize that AI, particularly in the crypto space, can provide many advantages when used as a tool to aid and augment capabilities rather than allowing it rule our life. Unquestionably, the robot apocalypse is still safely in the realm of fiction, so we can keep watching science fiction movies without worrying over the overlord robots. Shiba Inu trading volume has increased by an astounding 110% over the past 24 hours, according to data from CoinMarketCap. This week, as DOC tokens gain popularity, SHIB's trading volume increased by 100% to a record high of $6.7 billion. This increase in volume can be ascribed to two factors: the rising popularity of SHIB and the growing investor interest in cryptocurrencies inspired by memes. SHIB has managed to keep its price pretty steady, now trading at $0.0115 at the time of writing, despite the recent decline in the general cryptocurrency market. SHIB is anticipated to continue creating waves in the cryptocurrency market thanks to its sizable and enthusiastic community. Today following the National Association of Broadcasters, NAB, presentation, Marcy Jastrow of the Shiba Inu Metaverse team noted Hollywood's growing interest in the virtual world in a recent tweet. Former Technicolor executive Jastrow wrote to SHIB, "Hollywood's talking about the hashtag Metaverse, and hashtag Siberium can power it all. SHIB Army is the hashtag we use." Every year, the NAB show brings together experts from the entertainment business, technological companies, and content producers to talk about the newest trends and advancements in media and entertainment. Given Jastrow's background as a senior vice president at Technicolor, the project's engagement strengthens its links to the entertainment sector. A multinational company well known for its work on popular games like FIFA, Resident Evil, and Call of Duty. In order to increase the Memicoin's visibility in the entertainment industry, the tech veteran who joined the Shiba Inu team last May is working to secure a number of brand partners. Hollywood Insider's growing interest in SHIB the Metaverse demonstrates how the entertainment sector has begun to see the promise of virtual worlds and blockchain technology. The Shiba Inu team received an invitation earlier this year to showcase the Metaverse project at the 2023 South by Southwest Music and Film Festival in Austin, Texas. By the end of 2023, the Shiba Inu creators hope to partially open the SHIB, the Metaverse, and give users the chance to explore, build, design, play, and develop there. However, because the Metaverse is a work in progress, not all of its components will be finished when it launches. Shiba Inu feels the heat on April 21st as the entire cryptocurrency market bleeds crimson. Investors are unsure if Shiba Inu is in the calm before the storm or the new normal because, unlike some of its competitors, it appears to be stuck in a pricing range. When a cryptocurrency or other asset has stuck in a price range, it signifies that there has been little or no upward or downward movement in the price over a prolonged period of time. With the recent public publication of the documentation for Shibarium beta and ongoing project developments, Shiba Inu's commitment to development and innovation is clearly visible. The platform is progressing, but the price of SHIB is staying the same because the market is still uneasy and apprehensive. Despite Shibuna's best attempts to develop its ecosystem and enhance its capabilities, its fortunes have recently suffered. The cryptocurrency saw a dip of 2.3% in just 24 hours and a decline of 6.84% during the previous week. The price of Shiba Inu takes a much-needed break, according to CoinMarketCap. There has been a little but steady increase in the overall number of SHIB tokens burned. Over 5.2 million SHIB tokens have been burnt in the past 24 hours alone, showing that the community is attempting to control the token supply. Shiba Inu's outstanding performance wasn't ignored either. The cryptocurrency has been on the rise for the majority of the past week. Nearly 36,000 SHIB addresses transacted on the Memicoin network at the end of March, marking a record high for network activity. Ask Jack, according to crypto expert Ali Martinez, who used sentiment data from Twitter, Shiba Inu experienced the biggest increase in daily active Shiba Inu addresses over a year, with 35,788 different hashtag Shiba Inu addresses participating on the network. Since the year's beginning, this was 2023's biggest daily increase in active addresses, marking a new peak for network activity. However, two-whale trade activity has remained low despite the launch of the eagerly awaited Shibarium MEL. This shows that the market's biggest participants may be waiting for the appropriate time to act in order to be on the sidelines for the time being. It is unclear how these developments will affect Shiba Inu's long-term trajectory, as the breed's pricing is now unchanged. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.